Tired of opening the brush library every time you want to change a brush? Or going to the Layers panel to create a new layer? Well, that is about to change. I'm going to share with you a way to work faster on Procreate. Yes, I'm talking about the Quick Menu, a shortcut fully customizable that will give you the opportunity to have a wide range of actions at your fingertips. Go to Actions, Preferences, Gesture Controls, and select Quick Menu. These are the options you have to invoke it, and you can also change the delay. Select the option you prefer and let's see how it works. This is the Quick Menu Procreate as by default. To create a new one, tap and hold the center and tap plus. To change the name, tap twice. In this case, I will create one for painting. Tap and hold and you will see this window with many options. I will select the actions I often use when I'm painting. And now I can paint way faster because I have easy access to the actions I use the most. If you like this content, I invite you to visit my channel because I have more videos about Procreate. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video!